mga mommies, welcome back. Ako, ito po. Excited na ako. Introduce na natin ang guest natin for today, mga
So, we're so proud na about relationships
Oo
at
nga.
teenagers. So, of course, para credible sumagot, ang ating mga guests ngayon ay talawang two credible young breed, mga nasa member of the young breeds.
And I can say local idol sila.
Oh, syempre.
Oh, di ba?
Kilala yan.
Nako, chef, introduce na natin. Excited na ako.
Do the honors.
Okay, so our first guest, mga mommies, nako, actually pareho tong dalawang to, mainstay to ng Poptastic eh. Ang unang guest natin, ang mainstay ng Poptastic and the Student Council PRO of University of the Northern Philippines. Tama? Oh, nako, let's welcome Miss Ania De Leon.
Okay, Ania. Wow. Okay, ito.
Hi.
Hi, Ania.
Hi, Ania.
You look so sexy.
Yes.
Still love to us, ha?
Our next guest.
Okay, ito naman. Eh, siyempre ito, Hank. Tsaka mga ina-idol ng mga youngs. Tsaka, mainstay din siya ng Wake Up and
And
Poptastic. And the dashing. Good looking and singer, ha? Singer.
Good singer talaga.
Good singer.
Oh.
Let's welcome Kenneth
Rabago.
Rabago.
Tama?
May drama na, may drama.
Yes, welcome.
Kenneth Rabago. Hello.
Oh, syempre pa, hindi na namin papatagalin.
Eto na, careful sa mga sagot nyo. Mga mamis karat nyo, ha? I-scrutinize namin yung mga kaloob-looban nyo. Ania and Kenneth, be careful. You're facing mommies. Nanay na nanay talaga.
Correct. So,
Okay,
ano
so
ba? Oh.
let's start the ball rolling kay Mami Sheila. We'll give the first
So
question.
usually, what are the types of guys or girls na yung nagugustuhan nyo?
Like guys who are sweet. Tapos guys who are smart.
Smart. So yung itsura, hindi talaga super important.
Plus points sa akin pag gwapo.
Pero di ba you don't get to know him naman unless
Na-stress
yung
ako.
nakakausap mo na. So parang, paano yun? Parang pag first meeting,
Pag first meeting, actually, pag yung guy, matino kausap, and he knows what he's talking about, I get entertained.
Okay.
Before, I actually like guys who are bad boys. Na-attract ako.
Ha?
Yes! I'm
Oh,
very
diba?
attracted to guys who are
Ah.
bad boys. Na parang it's something na parang na-appeal, promise. Pero
Oo.
now parang I'm more into like the guys who are ready to take things seriously.
There's really something about bad boys na, di ba, parang na-attract ka kasi parang there's some girls na gusto nila sila yung makakapagpatino sa bad boy na yun. Oh, di ba?
Okay.
How about
Si
Kenneth?
Kenneth, type of girl.
Well, ako naman, mami, syempre gusto ko yung sweet and beauty queen.
Beauty queen?
Akala ko sweet and sour. Ano ba yan?
Pagkain na naman. Anyway, paano yun? What do you mean beauty
Kasi,
queen
mami,
material?
parang nasa kanya na lahat yun eh. Parang nasa kanya yung brain, ganun. Tapos yung, syempre plus point na rin
Wise,
yung
brains,
beauty.
beauty. Eh kasi sa tangkad ba naman niya?
So, ibig mo sabihin,
siguro.
hindi papasa sa yung mga pinagkait sa height, ganyan?
Well, pag-uusapan naman.
Nakukuha sa heels, nakukuha sa
Naku, nakaka-intimidate naman. Paano na yung mga may...
Oo, parang...
yung may mga gusto kay Kenneth dyan. Ako,
Oo, wala sila sa height. Ano ba yan?
Well, of course, mami, syempre, hindi naman natin masasabi kung
Kailan ka, ma-in
Oo.
love, ganyan.
Basta yun yung standard na gusto niya, yung mga sweet at saka mga pang beauty queen.
Yes.
Okay, going back to the answer of
Ania.
He wants smart, she wants smart boys, smart
Yes.
Now what is it? Yeah.
Medyo kinakabahan ako sa
Hindi ko na ba ituloy medyo. What do you mean by when you like smart guys?
No, smart guys in such a way.
Like
that
what aspect dun sa pagiging smart ng guys na gusto mo?
someone who wants something with his future. Someone who's independent. Someone,
Kasi,
yes.
kumbaga sa Pilipino, madiskarte, smart nga eh. Rather than be intelligent, di ba?
So,
Isa
yun
kasi
na yung mga
nakaka-nose
type niya
bleed,
ngayon.
sobrang intelligent,
oo.
ano.
How's your first relationship? When was this?
Be honest.
Mami, nanonood si Mami.
Yeah,
Oh.
ma'am.
Kailan yan? Kailan ba yung first relationship na yan? What age? And sa kayo nag-meet?
13.
Eh?
13.
Ano yun?
13.
Ano ba siya? Ano yun?
Grade school?
13? Alam mo ni Mami ito?
First year.
First year
First year high school.
school.
Saan to? Sa
13
school?
school?
Ganyan.
Puppy love. Just
Okay.
puppy love. Nothing serious.
Sino yun?
Pinalabas
He's
talaga.
somewhere out there. Hi!
Saan mo siya nakilala? Sa school? Sa school?
Outside eh.
Outside.
Outside, yeah.
Okay. How about you,
Ako,
Dana?
mami, when I was
First girl.
16.
16. That's about...
Tapos nag-meet
first
kami
year
sa
college.
La Union.
Uh-huh.
Kasi badminton player din siya. So, yung parang na-develop na yung pagkakaibigan na.
Nakuha
Tapos
sa-
napunta na sa...
Nakuha sa badminton.
16
Nakuha sa
ah.
16. Young love, young love.
Actually, sa age nila, parang late na nga yun, ano?
Talaga, 13.
Pero serious na yun, ma'am.
No, pero
Serious na
pero
yun.
puppy lang.
Pero yours was not,
It
parang
wasn't
crush lang.
anything serious. Parang, what's this? I just got attracted to him the same way he did.
Kasi yung mga bata ngayon, pag sinabi nilang crush, love na rin sa kanila
Iba
yun
na
eh.
ngayon. Alam mo, mami, meron akong makilala, mga grade school, wag ka.
Oo.
Grade school, mga ligaw-ligaw factor na yan.
No, sa kanila love na.
Oh,
Hindi na
diba?
puppy love yun eh. For
Correct.
them, love eh.
Oo.
Nagpa-pumping na nga daw yung hearts nila eh. Hindi love na sa
Hindi,
kanila.
mami, text
Diba,
na
naku,
lang.
Ha?
Text na lang.
Textmate.
Sa text na.
Nakakaloka. So, paano naman kayo nag-break nung first relationship? Anong, how was it?
Paano nila hinandle yung napaka-importante ng first relationship?
First breakup,
Ah.
First breakup, I cried.
I cried. Yun lang, ha?
No!
Oh.
Kasi I was so in love. Parang, I was like, okay, I love you. Parang gano'n. Tapos parang, I was the one who ended it. Kasi parang, I didn't feel it na. Tapos my parents didn't know about it. Yeah. So, well, actually, they know it about it now. Kaya, hi.
So, parang nag-break kayo kasi ayaw mo na. Parang,
Ayoko. And I think, what's this? He wasn't for me. And I was too young.
For her, he wasn't for her. Oh, si Kenneth, how did you broke with the girl?
Trust. Na-break yung trust.
what do you mean? Like,
Nag-break
nag-cheat
siya
siya
sa'yo?
sa'yo? Or what?
Oo.
Ikaw? Siya nag-cheat ikaw?
Oh,
Ha?
ouch.
Baliktad? Okay. Ano mga reactions
But
natin?
then,
She cheated on you.
meron na rin akong...
Sumunod?
Yes.
Nakakaloka ka. Gaano katagal to bago sinundan mo? Parang,
Kasi, 6 months kami nun eh. Tapos, after siguro mga 3 weeks, meron na ulit.
Hindi-
para lang, hindi naman sa parang...
hindi naman rebound.
Hindi naman rebound. Parang na-feel ko lang na before pa kami nun, parang may something na nabubusak para sa
Okay
akin.
lang kasi nasa prime nga sila eh. Okay, first relationship sana pareho. You cried, ikaw naman okay lang. So, did your parents know about this relationship?
Of course.
Did your parents know? How was their reaction?
Maya.
Ha?
Secret nga niya noon, mami.
Okay, no, not the second one. But what about you?
Ako, of course, ang una talagang nag-ano sa akin si mama. Sa kanya ko nasasabi lahat. Pero, siguro nung mga later second years na ako kay papa ko na nasasabi na mga problema. Kasi, hindi kami masyadong close nun ng papa ko.
Super masakit yun kasi first, ano to, like your first love na, parang gano'n.
Hindi naman, parang first serious love.
First serious love, may gano'n. Oo, di ba? Okay.
It's para sa akin serious talaga.
Pero like, kunwari ngayon, do you still communicate with your ex?
Me, no.
No na. Are you still friends with him?
No, I actually haven't heard from him in a very long time.
Oh, how about you?
We're chatting on Facebook sometimes.
Okay lang, wala na, napatawad mo na siya.
Of course, syempre dapat magpatawad kasi yung si God nga po. Nagpapatawad.
Ang faith lang. Nag-exercise yung faith niya. To date, as of this time, how many relationships you had already?
5.
5. Nasa fingers pa naman. Hindi pa naman lumampas, no? 5. How many are serious? And how
Yung
many are-
seryoso,
Hindi,
tumamin
ito
ka.
muna.
Ay,
How many are
sige.
serious?
Serious? Dalawa.
Ah,
Two serious.
2.
Including the one now.
Now, for sure. Okay. Kenneth.
Ako, mami, serious, 5.
Then, how many first? How many?
15.
Ha?
Pero 10 yung fling.
15!
Aray ko,
Oh,
sabi mo.
1-5! Oh my God!
Times 3 pala lang sa akin.
10 yung fling.
Mostly, yung 15, out of the 15,
Five.
ilan yung 5 ang
Serious.
serious?
Tapos
10
10 yung
fling.
fling.
Okay. Gaano katagal yung mga fling na yan? 1 week, 2 weeks, what?
3 weeks.
3 weeks at that? Fling. Okay na sa'yo yun. Eh, yung serious sa'yo, ilan? Gaano katagal yung serious?
Yung
Ang
last
leveling eh.
Yung last relationship ko umabot ng 2 years.
Serious ka
Okay.
pag years ang inaabot. Fling ka talaga pag years. Did you
Ay,
ever
ganun
had-
talaga, guys,
teka,
eh.
Did you ever had a relationship na tumagal 1 week lang sa flings?
Wala
Ito, si Kisaan, wala naman. Week. Maabot na lang. 1 week, wala.
When you say fling, how
Fling,
long?
paano mo i-level up yung fling?
Siguro, nasa 2 weeks ganun. For me.
Ang fling, 2 weeks. Oh, matagal na yun. Kasi di ba yung iba parang
Alam ko nga,
fling tayo 2 days.
Parang hindi na kita tinexan. Ano
Hindi kita tinexan.
Hindi na kita next goodbye. Ano yung, ano yung level ng fling sa'yo? How do you manage
Oo
the
nga.
relationship na fling and then serious? Para sa'yo, ano yung fling relationship? Like what?
Yung
Like what?
parang hindi masyado yung parang may affection, ganun. You see each other kung meron lang talagang mapag-uusapan.
Papasok ba dito sa mga fling-fling yung sa like,
Sige na, ikaw na mag, ano.
okay, last.
Ito ba? Ay, ang
Dito
fling
ba
ba ay mas
level up yung-
ihahantulad natin sa...
love or last?
Oo.
Both.
Both?
Pero meron naman talaga siyang yung fling, may love pa rin na konti. Pero mas marami talaga yung last.
Last.
Nabibintang si mother eh. Nabibintang si mother.
Do they invite you? Do girls invite you?
Yes.
Girls invite you?
Yes, ma'am.
Curious ako, ano? Okay.
Ganda. Okay.
Oh.
As a girl, ikaw, is it okay lang?
Yeah.
For you,
okay. Yes.
Okay lang talaga.
Iba na ngayon kasi
It's different now, I guess, because sometimes when girls get attracted to guys, they like making the first move. Some guys get attracted to it.
So you don't get turned off pag mga girls ang lumalapit
Mas
sa'yo?
nata-turn on ako nga.
Mas
Oh!
nag-turn on
Kasi
ka?
it just goes to show how confident the girl is with her feelings.
Correct.
Kesa dun sa mga ikaw naghihirap, na ikaw maghahabol, talagang nati-turn on kapag girls lumalapit. And do you allow that to happen to you? Kaya dun pumapasok yung fling. Okay, dun sa mga girls na lumalapit sa'yo, ilan dun yung talagang fling, tsaka ilan dun yung talagang serious? Na lumapit sa'yo hindi ikaw nag-exert effort, sila lumapit sa'yo.
Wala pang serious na mami. Yung
Na-
lumapit sa akin.
Lahat
Para lahat fling.
Iba na talaga mga...
Iba na talaga, mami.
Now, let's try to clear this up. Kasi, syempre may mga mommies pa rin tayo dyan na hindi naiintindihan yung mga young generation natin. So, kailangan talaga, we really have to understand kung iba eh. Iba yung kanilang orientation and all that. Masyado na tayo nagiging modern. Kung minsan, di mo rin sisisi ako na magre-react, siguro, partly, nandun pa rin pagiging conservative ko. But I do understand you. Kung sabi ko nga kanina at the beginning, you have to enter their world so that you will understand what they are going into.
Correct.
Kasi kung ipipilit mo yung gusto ko, na conservative type ako, iba naman yung sa kanila, doon na pumapasok yung clash between the children
And the parents.
parents.
At saka talagang mas aggressive na mga kabataan ngayon. ma'am.
Iba na 20th century,
Ah,
hindi na tayo 1960s,
Correct.
50s, iba yun.
Hindi na uso yung parang, yun nga, yung parang
I, for
lalaki
one,
lang ang lalapit
if
sa
I
sa
am,
girls,
okay,
hindi
like
na.
for example, the manner they dress. Like for example, I'm a conservative mom, and I wouldn't want Anaya to be wearing that one. But because I am now understanding what they are into, sabi ko, okay lang, she looks sexy. Di ba?
Fashion yan.
That's fashion. Very
Oo,
good.
iba na nga. Mami, napag-ahalata. Napag-ahalata.
Oh, hindi. Style lang yun. Naintindihan natin. Pagbalik po ng moms
Ako,
doon,
mas mahirap yan na questions, mami.
mas mahirap po po ang ating ibibigay sa ating dalawang mga nagko-cute, nagkaganda ang mga guests.
Kaya naman po, stay tuned. Magbabalik po ang
Moms
Moms to Word.
I can see it now.